Today our topic is what is the difference between bond pair and lone pair. First of all we'll discuss bond pair. This is pair of electron. And what is lone pair? Yes, this is also pair of electron. They are quite simple in such a way that. Now what is the difference? The bond pair that binds two atoms together. The bond pair is a pair of electron that is used to bind two atoms together. It has very simple example. When you shake your hand with anybody, it becomes pair of hands. This is called bond pair. Example of H2, that is H having electron shown by dot and H and shown electron by cross. When they both combine together, they will become pair of electrons. So there is no lone pair in this example. This is only bond pair. The lone pair is the pair of electron that is freely available on an atom. Leave structure. Once again I will draw ammonia in front of you, that this is N 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 valence electron, and it is shared with H, H and H. This is become NH3. This is pair of electron that is binding to atom together. This is called bond pair. Pair of electron binding to atoms, pair of electron binding together. So ammonia have 3 bond pairs while one lone. So there is only one lone pair. I am roughly drawing structure of H2O in front of you that to have more examples. Like if you see oxygen, this is pair of electron, this is pair of electron that is binding O with H, O with H, bond pair, bond pair. So this water molecule has two bond pairs and this lone pair and this lone pair. In this example, oxygen have two lone pairs and two bond pairs.